Good morning, Kevin.
Hey, Earl, great to see you as always.
Absolutely, my friend. Seems like it's been a while, but definitely glad to be back.
Yeah, absolutely. I love chatting real estate and giving some folks some information about mortgages, about the real estate market, and I always learn stuff myself.
Yeah, me too. It's a good thing. What you and I do here, not only share information amongst each other, but giving people that great up-to-date live in action information. It's a lot more detailed and informative than if they just flipped on the news. So
Yeah, man. And I think today we were going to chat a little bit about folks getting ready because some smaller, more affordable homes look like they're coming to market.
that is correct. According to Ali Wolf, chief economist at Zonda, she's showing where a lot more affordable homes will be coming to the market within the next 12 to 24 months, which I know is great music to the ears of all home buyers right now, that are competing in those, dog eat dog type of battles, with multiple offer situations. And having homes that are pricing you outside of what your current budget, may fit. We have a great graph too that you'll be able to see here that is going to show you the projections, from like when pandemic hit during those times and how in the summer months, larger homes tend to come onto the market versus, the smaller, more affordable homes. But the good news is they are on the way. So, if you've been looking for something that's a little bit, more cozy, but also more effective or more cost effective to your pocket, hey, good news is help is on the way.
Yeah, I talk to folks all the time. Folks, of course, looking to downsize, but more than anything, first time buyers who, hey, I don't need a giant house for my first home. I want something enjoyable and something affordable. There's just been not a lot of inventory out there. So it's been frustrating for a lot of folks. But the experts are predicting we're going to have some more of the smaller homes coming to market. And we are expecting mortgage rates to be coming down over the next several months. Especially in the next 12 to 24 months, the same time period that you mentioned there should be not only more affordable homes hitting the market, but more affordable interest rates on mortgages. That being said, I posted a video on my YouTube last week where Barbara Corcoran, the real estate shark, from Shark Tank, is saying really kind of what I've been saying and what we've been talking about here, that come spring, it's going to be a crazy market again. Rates are going to be getting better, and all the folks that have been on the sidelines are going to jump back in. So really now through maybe January, February, it's probably the best time to be active in the market.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I couldn't agree with that even more, because that's the same thing I've been telling all my friends, family, and clients is that even though you may not feel comfortable jumping in right now, don't take your eyes off the market, because if the property that fits your need comes available right now, be prepared to make that move. Because that spring market, and it may even start happening before spring, Kevin, where, we see interest rates become, more applicable to some people, and they want to hop back in, which creates this, frenzy, as we know, and which overall just costs the consumer or the buyer a lot more money out of pocket. Whenever you have to try to compete to pay 5, 10, 15, I've seen as much as 25, 30,000 over asking to try to get the home that you want. It's best, or I would say it's best at least, to try to do that when you don't have to compete with those numbers and bid up, the price just to get the home that you want.
Yeah. Barbara said we could see an immediate jump in home prices of even 10 to 15%. I mean, that's huge. So saving a percent or so on your mortgage is probably not worth paying 10% or more extra on the house. It's going to take you, simple math, 10 years to break even on the mortgage interest rate savings.
Right. And that's the big thing too. Just like what you said, trying to save a couple of cents here, that'll cost you more longer down the road. 10 years to pay that off, that's crazy, And the big thing too, for some people, as far as, the interest rates go and think about home prices and stuff of that nature, home prices being steady and where they are and consistently increasing is a good thing. It's not bad. It shows that the market is healthy. It shows that the money that you take out of your pocket to buy a home is it's an investment that's only going to continue to increase, steadily, which we hope, but also at the same time, it won't get too outrageous. So it's going to be one of those things where it should be good for everyone and not just something that's seen as, oh man, a major drag because, now the homes are, extremely unaffordable and I can't afford them. No. That's why you have great people like myself and Kevin who can help navigate and guide you through these, somewhat tumultuous times as we go into a lot better market in the future.
Yep, absolutely. So yeah, if you have any questions on what's out in the market and planning your purchase and equity and what things are worth, Earl is a great contact, and I'm here to help you out with any questions on the mortgage and financing side.
Absolutely. And we're here available all times. Well, pretty much all times, except for when we sleep, but we're always available to help out.
Exactly. Cool. Well, hey, man, great catching up as always. And I'm super excited about what's coming up in the market.
Sounds good, Kevin. Me too. Thank you so much, buddy. Have a great week.
You too. Until next time.
Bye-bye.